It's no secret sports betting can be lucrative. Turns out when gamblers win, the IRS is victorious too.
If you're starting and you do spend a significant amount of money and or time, or win something that is of significant items, it could have a tremendous impact on with what you owe
in taxes. Mary and Jane is a certified public accountant at Saginaw Valley Business Services.
Per the IRS, you are technically supposed to claim taxes on all your winnings from all sorts of gambling, whether they issue you a form or not.
We looked at 7 of the top sports betting apps in Michigan. The word tax isn't found on any of their front pages.
There's very little information on the sites that talk about the taxes and the information and what it's going to cost you, and that you're going to be taxed possibly at a federal level, a state level, a local level.
Jane says if you gamble, you have to keep track of what you're doing so you don't lose big.
You have to pull up your accounts and look at your accounts and realize with where you're at and with what's going on to how it's going to affect you and how it may affect you on your tax return.
And if you collect Social Security, Jane tells me gambling winnings could increase the amount your Social Security income is taxed in a given year.
You go to the casino and you win, and you might say, I won $2,000, but now all of a sudden it makes $1,200 more of your Social Security taxable. So now you're paying tax on $3,200 more. It has a bigger impact and it can have a quicker impact than just with what you won at the casino.
Jane says knowing the answers to the questions of what you played, how much you spent, how much was invested, and how much you earned will all be helpful.
How's this going to affect me? How much do I need to put away? What are my taxes? Do I need to make estimates?
As a general rule of thumb, Jane tells us setting aside about 25 to 30% of your winnings for taxes is a good idea. But if you're not sure, he says reaching out to a tax expert is always a safe bet.
Knowing the information and just asking that question can prevent and can help prepare you for what could happen to you and your taxes and with what's going to happen. And when you don't ask the question, it's too late.
Reporting in Saginaw County, James Felton, WNEM TV5.